So hello and welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here I am with today's market update, and in today's video we'll be discussing about the detailed analysis of Bitcoin. Along with that, some important altcoins like Matic, Litecoin, LTC, and also CHR, which is at a very good support, and you guys can make entry for a very good profit. So we'll be doing the detailed analysis of all coins along with Bitcoin. So watch this video till the end because it'll be informative for you guys. So starting today's video here, as you guys can see that right now I had opened the chart of Bitcoin here in 1 day time frame, and you guys can see that the price has taken a little bit support at this support of $25,400, and you guys can see right now the price is having rejection of this trend line support of 27,700. So you guys can wait until a while, just don't take entries for long in the mid position because it will be risky for you guys. And you guys can see in 4 hour time frame आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, you guys can see this कि we are also having our horizontal resistance. If you guys can see this, the price has taken too many times rejection from this zone. You guys can see this 27,500 वाला जो zone है, it was acting as resistance, and you guys can see previously price has taken resistance from this zone. You guys can see it took rejection and we saw a nice downfall. Again it took rejection, gave a nice downfall. Again it took rejection, gave a nice downfall. So again you guys can see the price is right now moving towards its rejection, that is of 27,500. So for now let the price take rejection of the 27,500 wala zone, then you guys can make your entries for long when the price will be coming till its support, that is of $24,500. जब यहाँ पर प्राइस आपको एक अच्छा लॉन्ग का एंट्री जोन जो है, इट इज एट 24,500 जोन. यू गाइस कैन गो फॉर लॉन्ग एंट्री बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमारा ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट एज वेल एज हॉरिजॉन्टल सपोर्ट है. यू गाइस कैन गो फॉर लॉन्ग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट at 24,500. In previous videos also I told you guys that you guys can see right price took a good bounce back from our trend line zone, that is you guys can see it took support, gave a nice bounce back, and again it took support and gave a nice bounce back. So again if it will be testing this zone of $24,500, you guys can go for a good long zone here. So for now क्योंकि अभी प्राइस BTC का यहाँ पे at the mid है, it is risky for you guys if you guys will be taking entry for long here. Let the price come to our trend line support zone and also horizontal support zone of 24,500. You guys can go for the long zone from that point of mention zone at 24,500. You guys can see यहाँ पर अभी आप already market में जो negative sentiments से you guys can see इसके वजह से आपको काफी ज्यादा downfall देखने के लिए मिला है market में. And right now also maybe price will firstly move till this zone of $27,500 and it will take rejection from there and will test that zone of 24,500, and you guys can make your entries for long from there. अभी यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, well there is no possibility कि price ये वाला resistance zone जो है break करेगा and it will reach to this 28,000 rejection वाला zone, because यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो price is not having that strong volume right now and it is also having rejection there. You guys can see the price is moving at this zone only from past few days or a past week. You guys can see this sideways movement and also the downfall here. So just try to make your entries when the price will be coming till our support of 24,500. यहाँ से आप एक अच्छी लॉन्ग की एंट्री ले सकते हैं, both spot and in futures. It will be more good in spot and in futures. Use the low leverage and stop losses with proper risk management. Moving on to our next graph, you guys can see I had opened the chart of Matic here and you guys can see right now price is at support. अब आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो currently the price is at its support zone. यहाँ से price ने previously many times bounce back लिया है. You guys can see it's a good support for Matic and आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पर एक जो tremendous downfall आपको Matic में देखने के लिए मिला है, maybe we can see a possible bounce back from this zone. But now अगर यहाँ पर प्राइस रिजेक्शन जोन पे जाता है बिटकॉइन का, दैट इज जो कि अभी हमारे यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस जोन है 27,500 वाला, तो आपको यहाँ पर प्राइस में डाउनफॉल देखने के लिए मिल सकता है और भी ज्यादा. यू गाइस कैन सी आप यहाँ पर देन लॉन्ग कर सकते हो. ये जो हमारा ग्रीन जोन है दैट इज आवर हॉरिजॉन्टल सपोर्ट जोन नेक्स्ट to it, that is 0.6517. I had mentioned it on the chart. You guys can see that clearly. Right now price is trying to take support on this zone. If you guys can see it, if I'll be zooming it, you guys can see the price is trying to take support on this zone. You guys can see it here. this is the zone the price is trying to take support. But अगर price यहाँ पे resistance पे पहुंचता है and BTC यहाँ पे नीचे आता है, then we can see downfall here in the price of Matic as well. And यहाँ पर जो previous support zone है हमारा, जिस पे price ने possibly many times bounce back लिया है, you guys can see as I am drawing this support zone right now, यहाँ पर price इसको break कर देगा and it can come down till this zone of 0.65. यहाँ से आप जो है अपनी सेकेंड एंट्री जो है लॉन्ग के लिए ले सकते हो. बहुत ही स्मॉल एंट्री ऑन द स्पॉट यू गाइस कैन टेक एट 0.748 and your good entry. And if you guys want to make it for futures, you guys can take at 0.65. So just take your entry accordingly, try to make it in path so that you won't be missing the dip, and also you will be getting entry. So just make your entry for spot right now at 0.74, and for futures you guys can go for long at 0.65. Or if you guys have a good portfolio, you guys can take a small amount future entry in Matic also with 5x leverage, so that you can hold it on. If the price will be coming down, you guys can do DCA also. Moving on to our next graph, you guys can see I had opened a chart of LTC here, that is Litecoin right now. You guys can see कि यहाँ पर अभी हमारा प्राइस को ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट है. एंड अगर आपको पता है कि यहाँ पर लाइट कॉइन का हाल्विंग आने वाला है, आपको यहाँ पर अपकमिंग डेज में एक अच्छा खासा पंप देखने के लिए मिल सकता है इन द कॉइन LTC, that is Litecoin. And if you guys can see, the price is also making ascending triangle pattern. If you guys know this, ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Usually it results in the breakout and in very good movement. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो currently price को हमारा trend line support है, and previously price took many times bounce back from that zone. You guys can see it took support, gave a nice bounce back. Again, it took support, gave a nice bounce back. Again, gave a very nice bounce back. So again, अगर price यहाँ पर आपको trend line support that is at nearby 83 देखने के लिए मिलता है, you guys can go for long at that zone. Currently price को यहाँ पर जो हमारा resistance है, it is at 102. We can see the possible rejection from there, but again यहाँ पर price support लेगा, and we can see the bounce back because ये ascending triangle है. There are possibilities that price will break out from this zone, so it's good to have it in spot at 83. आप यहाँ पर 83 पे एक long का entry ले सकते हो, both in spot and in futures. Futures में try to do a proper risk management, proper SL and proper leverage. So you guys can go for entry at 83. In spot it's more good, and in futures do with proper risk management. So make your first entry here at 83, and if in case price comes a little bit down, then we are having our next support at 79. You guys can consolidate a little bit there. So just make your first entry here at 83, and you will see the price will literally give you a very good profit in upcoming days, because यहाँ पर LTC का जो इवेंट है, यहाँ पर LTC का जो हाविंग है, यहाँ पर आपको इसके वजह से प्राइस में एक अच्छा अप मूवमेंट देखने के लिए फॉर श्योर मिलेगा. सो यू गाइस कैन make entries in LTC, and you can buy some for a good profit in your spot also. Moving on to our last graph, that is CHR. You guys can see CHR is also a good coin. It is right now trading at the price of 0.147. You guys can see right now the price is having support at 0.1282, nearby 0.1300. You guys can go for a long entry in CHR. You guys can see this horizontal support is acting as a good support, and price took support from this zone previously also. You guys can see it took support, gave a nice bounce back. Again it took support, gave a nice bounce back. Again it took support, gave a nice bounce back. So again, if the price will be coming till 0.1282, this zone, you guys can buy some here and hold it for a good profit, because CHR literally give always a very good profit to everyone who holds it for long. So just make your entry at this point. 0.1282 is the good consolidation zone. You guys can take a good entry in CHR at 0.1282, because it is support for CHR right now, and you guys can for sure see the price of CHR till 0.128. So just make your entry here, and if in case in worst case scenario, if the price will be breaking down this zone, we are having our next support at 0.097. So you guys can make your entry if it will be coming down at that point. It's just for the worst case scenario, but I don't CHR will go that much down. So possibly you guys can make your entry here at 0.1282 for a long, both in spot and in futures. So just make your entry accordingly, and also because it is having a trend line support here at 0.098, यहाँ पर आप अपनी second entry plan कर सकते हो, जिसको अचीव होने में काफी टाइम लग सकता है, बट फॉर अ गुड एंट्री यू गाइस कैन मेक एंट्री एट 0.1282. So just go for long at this zone in CHR. Try to make your entries according to the mentioned entry points only. Wait until it gets achieved, and you'll be getting a good profit. So just try to be calm. Wait for your entries with proper risk management. Make most of your entries in spot also, so that you can hold it for a long time. Try to make entries in LTC, because in upcoming days you guys can get a literally good profit in this coin, as I researched in the market, because इसका halving session आने वाला है within 15 days, upcoming 15 days में, so it will give you guys a good profit. So just make your entries accordingly, according to the mentioned points in the mentioned coins for a good profit. And if you guys like the analysis and you are literally getting benefit from this, do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you guys can also reach out to our Telegram channel, where I used to post instant updates. You guys can check it out also there for urgent and instant updates. Till that, just be safe and trade safe, guys. Thanks for watching.